was all very mysterious indeed. An investigation was launched to get to the bottom of things. They were each given a different job. About the paper aeroplane competition and how badly he wanted to win. And he knew he wasn't very good and he had run out of paper and he had no one to ask for help. He was sorry for taking their cheese without asking and
it can be any size, shape or colour you wish. All you have to do is imagine it. Carefully, the man took the hat out of the box and put it on Millie's head. It fitted her perfectly. Thank you, said Millie. I like it very much. She put her hand in her pocket.
Crazy hair. Here's my comb, young Bonnie said, now run that across your head. That's what I do with great care when I have such crazy hair. Child, are you mad? I cried. Combs and brushes have been tried. One was eaten by a bear, drowned through my crazy hair. Bonnie said, you bet.
So, here they are.
there are cats in this book. Meow. The cats aren't on this page. The cats aren't on this page either. They're on the next page. They would love to play with you. They're very friendly. Moon pie. Tiny. On you. They're behind you. Huh? Hi, who are you? Are you nice?
You look nice. And strong. Could you tell me who it is?
Because there's wool on the next page. Look. Hooray, you do turn page. Lovely tangly wool.
There's more clips on the next page. Lots of wool.
Throw me some. Let's go back to the wall.
Yes, it's on the page above.
No, keep going this way. Look, there are cardboard boxes. Open. Thank you. Spaceship. Whee! Oh.
That helps. Coffee dogs.
I love boxes.
What's this? Oh,
Turn the page. Turn the page. Pillow fight. Pillow fight. That was fun. Wow, there are fish in this book.
fish. It's on the page. What are you reading for?
Oh no, a floodway.
Help, Tom.
The page.
You did it. You saved us. Few.
Thank you. Can you dry us too? Just blow on the page.
Who wants to dry a cat? Blow the page.
All together.
Blow the page. Let's all blow the page. Blow the page. Dry them off. They're all soaking. Oh, right. I think I found it.
That's good.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, nice and fluffy.
I got them right and I knew you were nice.
Now if you sleep.
Here's our comfy blanket. A good night kiss for you. Will you tuck us in?
So he's going to play with us again soon. Really soon.
Night night. Did you like the cats? I think the cats really liked you.
Did you?
Hey. That was